In this tutorial, we will cover the first and second steps of the download process, which includes collecting the Ivan's mailbox entries and attaching the items to the management system. You can find this written process as steps 1 and 2 from the download section in your manual binder, or on our download manual on the manuals page at agencysoftware.com. Keep in mind that this process and the resulting data depends on your carriers, the level of download product purchased, and the management system you use. We will cover how to process records from outside downloaders in the next tutorial. Most agencies choose to process downloads when everyone is out of the management system. Processing downloads begins by double-clicking the Easy Download Manager icon on the download machine's desktop. This will check to see if there are any files in your Ivan's mailbox. If there are files, it will begin bringing them down and processing them. If there are no files, it will display a message that the mailbox is empty. If you are expecting items from the Ivan's mailbox and go several days without receiving them, contact customer support to have them check your mailbox and further troubleshoot the issue. Once the Ivan's files have been processed, the Suspense Manager should open automatically, though in some environments you may have to launch the Suspense Manager manually by using the Suspense Manager icon. Usually one of the Suspense files will be preloaded to the bottom pane of the Suspense Manager. These are the transactions coming in from the carrier. At the top of the Suspense Manager, the clients from your management system are listed. If you have multiple datasets in your management system, you can change between these datasets by clicking the second icon and selecting your desired dataset. More Suspense files may be listed in the Suspense folder, accessed by clicking the first icon. These files are listed first by NAIC number. If you had 3 download files for one NAIC number, they would typically all load into one singular Suspense file. When you double-click this Suspense file, the items within this file will load to the bottom pane of the Suspense Manager window. If you find you must leave the Suspense process in the middle of processing, simply close the Suspense Manager and return any time to pick up where you left off. Before attaching or adding any Suspense records into the management system, you must select your company. The company may already be populated if the NAIC code matches the company code table in the management system. You also will want to decide if you want the download to create accord forms prior to attaching the Suspense items. The next step is to check the box to auto-attach if matching policy number is found. This will go through the open Suspense file and attach the items to the management system client where a matching policy number is found. This will leave in the Suspense list any items that do not have a matching policy number. If none are left in the Suspense list, open up another Suspense file, select the company, and auto-attach again. Any items that do not find a policy match need to be either attached to an existing client or added so the client is created in your listing. Before attaching these items, you will want to format the entries to match the current client format. The Suspense listing is automatically in a first name, last name format in regular case. If your existing client list is in last name, first name order, or in all uppercase, you will want to format the Suspense files to match before proceeding. Do this by clicking the Edit Client's Name icon and click the first icon to switch to last name, first name, or the second icon to change to all uppercase. Check the box to apply to all if that is the desired format. Matching the existing format will make it easier for the program to locate the client if you are downloading a new policy for an existing client. When you click on an item in the Download Records box, the system will automatically attempt to match the entry by name. You can manually browse the list of existing customers to locate the correct client record. Make sure the arrow is to the left of the desired customer, Then click the Attach button to attach the download record to the selected client. If the client is not in the existing customers list, you can click Add New, which will add a new client to your management system and attach the downloaded items to that new client. The Add All button will add the rest of the records as new clients. This option is rarely used outside of the initial load process, which you can learn more about in a separate tutorial. The Remove option is to remove the entry from the Suspense file without attaching it into the management system. Continue on to the non-Ivans downloading process to see how to handle the files coming in outside of the Ivans system.